Morning guys, it's a new day here in the Island of Gods and we are still here in Seminyak in Kuta, and for today we are going to explore more beaches, beach clubs, cafes, restaurants, and if you're interested, keep on watching. Let's go! For our first stop guys, we are here at W Bali. Merong boogie sa labas kasi medyo malayo yung beach. Libre naman, so papasok lang kayo sa entrance nila, and then yeah, we're here at their beach front. Meron silang buffet for around 1,400 pesos breakfast. This here guys, so we're having cappuccino, mix of meat, bacon, salami, iba-ibang mga cold goods, tapos hash brown, sushi ba yung sausage, tapos sa sweets naman, mga Indonesian sweets, may kalamay, may suman, may croissant, may donut, tapos sa Chinese part may dim sum, and yan muna guys. Bacon guys, isa to sa mga technique na pwede nyo gawin if you want to have the most of Indonesian food. Pwede kayong mag-buffet para matikman nyo iba-iba. Siomai naman. Oh my god. Grabe yung siomai. Next guys, try naman natin itong sato ayam. Para siyang mami pero sotanghon yung noodles niya. Lasa siyang mami noodles. Ay sotanghon. Guys, let's try out this snake fruit. Masarap daw to, sabi doon. Not sure lang kung matamis kasi yung texture niya hindi parang matamis na fruit. More on parang kamote yung texture niya. So, feeling ko lasang mane, no? It's good. It tastes like no other eh. Para siyang candy. Lasa siyang pineapple na mani. Done eating here sa W Bali guys. Sobrang sarap ng buffet nila, and it's a mix of Indonesian, continental, western food, and yeah, I really like it. Para lang siyang buffet sa Philippines with the addition of Indonesian cuisine. So, visit kayo dito guys. Ang amount is around 400,000 IDR plus taxes, and it's really good na if you want to indulge yourself with Indonesian food. So, tara, explore pa tayo dito sa Seminyak. For our next spot guys, we are here at Krishna. Dito lang siya sa may Sunset Road. Nag-grab lang kami. Around 100 plus lang yung binayaran namin, and apparently ito yung isa sa mga best na bilihan ng pasalubong. I know guys, puro pasalubong na yung mga pinapamili natin, but yeah, yun yung magandang gawin dito eh. So tara, pasok tayo. Ganito siya kalaki guys. Ang nice kasi very organized. Tapos mura daw dito, you don't have to haggle para mura yung mapamili mo. So maraming chocolate, mga coffee. Tara, check natin lahat. Sobrang dami guys dito, and ang mumura lang. If you can compare it sa Philippines, parang kasing presyo siya ng mga nasa Divisoria. Itong t-shirt na to guys na pambata, it's only 33. So around 110 pesos, ganun. Pwede na. Ito naman guys, t-shirt for the guys, around 50,000 lang. 30 to 50,000. So that's around 100 pesos to 200 pesos.
One different quality.
Aside from mga damit guys, marami din dito mga food, Yung mga usually makikita nyo sa grocery, food, lotion, sunscreen, ganyan. So, check natin. Kuha tayo nitong Pai Susu Ajik, guys. Lagi kasi namin ito nakikita para siyang milk pie. 10,500 IDR lang. Hindi mo kailangan makipagtawaran. Yan, murang-mura lang, guys. Of course, you have the Bali bag na sikat. Check natin how much sila. So, yung normal na wala masyadong design, 144, around 150, 600 pesos. Mas mura pa sa Ubud, guys, kasi doon you can get this for mga 80 ganyan. 50 pa nga pag maliit. Meron din sila dito, guys, yung favorite natin na black eye. Actually, mas mura dito kasi 124 lang siya. Doon sa mismong store, 138 So, tara, get natin to. Dami, guys, mapapamili sa Krishna, pero ang na-notice ko, though, halos kapareho niya yung mga presyo sa Ubud. But, yung mga na bargain na price na. Pero, yung mga bags nila medyo mas mahal. Tapos, bawal matawaran. So, if bag, guys, sa Ubud talaga kayo mamimili. Ito pala, guys, namili kami ng coffee sa labas lang ng Krishna, and it's called Shiboba Indonesia. Super mura lang niya, guys. This is around 40 plus pesos. May coffee ka na. So tara, head tayo sa beach kasi we've been wanting to go to the beach for the sunset. We just got, guys, ourselves Scott Latte. If pupunta kayo ng Ethnic, guys, ito talaga super sarap. We got it for twice the shot of espresso. But as is, it's also so good. So, yan, highly suggest, guys. Murang-mura lang. Well, actually, yung nila, around 22 IDR lang. Pero, nung in-upgrade namin, naging 38. So, wag na kayo mag-upgrade kasi masarap naman siya as is.
Comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do.
We are at Seminyak Beach, guys. If you've been to La Union, medyo familiar sa inyo kasi black yung sun, tapos ang ganda ng sunset. But of course, pinakamaganda pa rin yung sunset sa La Union. It's just that ganito yung itsura niya, guys. And don't expect kasi dito talaga sa area na to hindi white yung sand, but it's so beautiful, especially during sunset. Maraming beach clubs dito, guys, na pwede nyo mapuntahan. Merong Potato Beach Club, tapos dito sa side na to is yung W Valley, yung pinuntahan natin kanina. Hindi lang though recommended na mag-swimming kasi malakas yung tide, even bigger than the one in La Union.
So lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me back to you. To you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you.
Hello guys, we are back in our hotel room. Actually, palabas na ulit tayo kasi we're gonna have dinner. Ang ganda ng area na to ng Seminyak kasi nasa center tayo, guys. And if you want to go to the boutiques, sa mga restaurants, malapit lang. Especially sa mga beach clubs, malapit lang. So if you want to experience yung mga beach clubs, parties, or if you just want to be near in the center, dito kayo sa Seminyak, guys. Sa may mismong Seminyak Street, malapit tayo doon. So, tara, labas na tayo for dinner. Also, guys, if you notice yung mga pinupuntahan natin dito sa Seminyak, puro cafe hopping, restaurants. Kasi this is our last few days here in Bali. So, we just want to chill, relax, and yeah, enjoy our vacation, guys. So, tara, labas na tayo to have dinner. Samahan nyo kami. We are here in a concept store, guys. There are so many beautiful arts and it's okay to take videos and also take photos. So maybe you can visit here to check if you can buy anything or just appreciate the art because it's so beautiful here. It's called Feliz and it's a collection of arts from different artists daw. So pakita ko sa inyo more of the paintings. And yeah, check natin, guys. For our dinner, guys, we are here at Warung Dedalus. Nandito lang din siya malapit sa street ng hotel natin. I-search nyo na lang. And we're here kasi Indonesian food ulit yung craving namin. Although, later mag-Alpha Mart tayo. But for now, let's have some Indonesian food. Ito yung menu nila. Let's eat, guys. So we have chicken satay, 10 pesos isa lang based sa computation namin. And of course, chicken lalapan. Ay, lalapan lang pala. And wala sila usually, guys, tinidor. Kasi usually talaga nagkakamay lang. So try natin magkamay. Dito muna tayo sa chicken satay. Ang sarap.
Try siya for me. Ay, sauce na sarap.
Grabe yung peanut sauce niya, guys. Ang generous niya. Tapos, pwede mo pa siya ipalaman sa tinapay.
Yung pinagbago.
Ang laki ng chicken niya, oh. Magkano in peso yung chicken meal? 129 pesos lang yung lalapan. Mas favorite ko yung lalapan dun sa Nusa Penida. Pero itong chicken satay, guys, sarap. Mura pa. Done eating here in Warung Dedalus, guys. Sarap ng chicken satay. Ubos na ubos ko, guys. And yung lalapan, okay naman siya pero I had better. Tapos hindi ko ma-gets kung para saan yung mga cabbage. Ang ginawa ko, binalot ko lang yung fried chicken na parang samgyeopsal with the sauce, peanut sauce. Sarap niya din, guys. Try nyo mag-visit dito sa Warung Dedalus. Dito lang siya sa Seminyak Street. Malapit. Have some of this. Cute, guys. So may opening ipin. Blast choco cheese. Uso dito yung choco tapos may cheese. Sarap, in fairness. Magkano lang ito, wala pang 20 pesos. Back at our hotel room, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be answering you in the comment sections below and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night!